What problems do operations face with location technologies? Although location technologies are designed to help solve problems, there are recurring issues with some of these technologies that companies should consider. How does Link Labs technology measure up? Location accuracy. Some location technologies do not have the appropriate accuracy for use cases. We provide up to sub-meter level accuracy, enabling a wide variety of use cases. Battery life. As battery life tends to go down, accuracy goes up, which results in increased cost and waste. Our configurable battery provides up to 400 times the usual battery life. Integration. Most location technologies are limited to a given set of systems, databases, and tags. We provide a solution that can integrate with pre-existing systems, including add-ons. Scalability. Many systems are designed to only exist on a certain scale, keeping costs high and functionality low. Our solution is designed to be scalable to the scope of your company's needs. Security. Asset tracking can create vulnerabilities in connected networks if they're not secure. Link Labs provides a solution that is independent of Wi-Fi and can reduce the potential for breaches. Want to learn more? Visit our website at link-labs.com and be sure to subscribe to all of our social media platforms for more information.